Hi, this is Study with Mo. So today we'll be doing Maths B May June 2025 Paper 1 question number 23. The table shows the information about the monthly wage of 100 employees at a company. The ranges of wages are given, the frequencies are given. Calculate an estimate for the mean wage of 100 employees. So when we have to work with when we have to find the mean wage of the employees, we write midpoint. We need to find the midpoint. So 0 plus 600 divided by 2, 0 plus 600 divided by 2 equals to 300. Then again we have 600 plus 1200 divided by 2 is 900. We have 1200 plus 800 divided by 2 equals to 1500. We have 1800 plus 2400 divided by 2 is 2100. 2400 plus 3000 divided by 2 is 2700. So we got our midpoint. Now we need to calculate the mean. For the mean, what we have to do is, let's take a purple color. We need to multiply the frequency with the midpoints amount. Okay, so what you do, 7 multiply 300, 13 multiply 900, 28 multiply 1500, 42 multiply 2100, 10 multiply 2700. Okay, so if we write the total frequency is 100, or also the total employees are 100, whatever it is. Now it's 171,000 divided by 100. The zeros are gone, so we have 1710. So this is the mean wage of the 100 employees. The mean number of hours worked by the 100 employees last week is 33 hours. The total number of hours worked by 91 of these employees last week is 2,976 hours. Find the mean number of hours worked last week by the remaining 9 employees. This needs a bit of space. I don't know why they didn't give any space. Okay, so total number of hours worked by 100 employees is equals to, we know they worked for 33 hours and there are 100 employees, so 33 multiply 100, you have 3,300. So this is the number of total hours. Now worked by 91 employees is equals to, this is given, 2,976. Now for 9 workers worked for, we know 100 workers or 100 employees worked for 3,300 hours, and then we also know that 91 employees worked for 2,976 hours. So we just deduct them, we find out the difference, which is 324. Now mean hours worked by 9 employees is equals to 324 divided by 9 is 36 hours. So here we are done with number 23.